Now, if you guys are looking for a very good portable projector which has excellent sound and also an amazing battery life, keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality tech videos at least twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back. Now first of all, I'd like to give a huge shout out to the guys from ViewSonic for sending out this projector. Now the ViewSonic M1 projector comes in a nice black box with the ViewSonic logo on the top right, with the M1 Portable Cinema on the top left, and then there's the drawn lines of the projector down below. Now opening the box, you'll see a quick start guide. Then you'll see the projector inside a nice grey pouch. Underneath that you'll find the remote. Then below there's a 3-pin plug, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a power brick adapter, and a double A size batteries for the remote. Now let's talk about the unit itself on its own. It weighs at 1.8 kgs with dimensions of 14.8 by 4.05 by 12.6 centimeters, and the M1 has an all plastic build with a 360 degrees rotating stand, which means that you can easily rotate the stand however you like with a rubberized bottom for grip. And the stand also acts as a lens cover for when the projector is not in use. Then the rest of the body is covered with hard plastic, which also acts as a speaker cover, where we'll get into the speakers a little later. So overall, from a build quality, it has a nice weight to it, feels solid and definitely very portable as well. Now as for the ports and buttons, we have a solid selection from ViewSonic. At the back, there's 4 buttons, which is the power button or the enter button. Then there's a minus or plus button for volume, a back button, then there's the battery indicator below. Now the ports are hidden by a cover, which is kind of cool, as it gives the projector a more clean and a minimalist look, where you'll find a micro SD card slot, a DC adapter in, a USB-C port, which is a really good addition, which means that you can connect your USB-C phone or even devices directly to the projector with a single cable. And during that, there was absolutely no lag in terms of the picture or even audio playback. Then there's also the HDMI 1.4 port, a 3.5mm audio out for connecting external speakers or soundbars, and then there's a USB 2.0 port which also delivers charging power. Then you'll find a focus wheel on the left just outside the cover. Now of course, one of the main reasons why you guys are watching this review is for the projector's display, and I gotta say that the display for this projector was really good. Now what we get is a DLP LED bulb, which is rated at maximum brightness at 250 lumens. And just so you guys know that DLP projectors usually delivers sharper images and even have better response time as well as 3D capabilities. Now the resolutions of the M1 projector is 854 by 480 with an aspect ratio of 16:9 or automatically adjustable, of a contrast ratio of 120,000 to 1. While some may argue about its resolution, but being the kind of guy who shoots in 4K resolution, as you guys can see, trust me, the image quality was really good for its size and of course its price, which I will reveal later. And of course, this includes watching YouTube videos, Netflix and even gaming. It was buttery smooth. Now in terms of how big the screen size can go, you can get between 24 to a massive 100 inches, and the mind-blowing part is that it has a minimum distance of a throw distance of only 1 meter with a throw ratio of 1.2. Now the lens is a fixed zoom lens, so you'll need to place it properly in a perfect position, or you can always mount the projector through the mounting screws down below. But what's also great is there is the automatic Keystone Adjustment, so no matter which angle that you place the projector, it will automatically adjust the screen to help to eliminate crooked or even distorted images for the perfect picture every single time. Now in terms of the longevity of the bulb, it is rated to last about 30,000 hours, which is also really impressive for its size. And the M1 projector also has a 16 gigabytes of internal storage, which means that you can enjoy up to 4,000 songs and up to 4 hours of movies, which is also a very welcome feature. Now as for sound, as you guys have seen the visuals, it is a collaborative effort between ViewSonic and also Harman Kardon. So you will have a very good high quality sound, where obviously you won't be getting a surround sound system experience, but you will fill in a small to a mid-sized room with a deep, loud sound, whether you're watching movies, playing games or even listening to music. So here's a quick sound test.
The SUV is a 7-passenger called the R1S, and the pickup truck, which seems to be the flagship vehicle, is the Rivian R1T. Now, I'm not a pickup truck person by any means, but I am an electric car person, and the specs and the things that they were promising for this as an electric vehicle were actually pretty promising.
Now diving further into the interface of the projector, you will first see the different inputs available, where you can easily use the included remote to navigate accordingly, and then there's different wallpapers to choose from. And of course, going into the settings, there's further image settings over there, display modes, languages, audio settings, the light source mode, a factory reset for its settings, and to toggle the eye protection on or off. And this is especially useful for protecting the eyes of wandering children or even pets from the direct exposure of the light from the lens of the projector. Now, since it is a portable projector, it has 4000 milliamps of battery, and believe it or not, there's even quick charge present on the device, so that's pretty nice. And overall, I got 5 to 6 hours plus on my test and about 4 hours of continuous video playback, which means on a single charge, I can watch a whole Hindi movie. I actually don't watch any Hindi movies, but is it still that long? Now, although this projector is best known for its portability, you can always plug into the wall socket with the included adapter, so that's extra sweet. Now, in terms of what I felt that was really needed is that I wish that the picture adjustments for brightness and contrast could be done in real time instead of exiting from the playback through USB-C. But then again, that's just my personal opinion as a person who loves to adjust tiny little details. But honestly guys, overall, hands down, this is my favorite tech for 2018. So if you guys would like to get a projector which is ultra portable, comes with a very good speaker and of course a good battery, it is indeed a highly recommended product by me. Now the ViewSonic M1 projector is priced at only 1,349 ringgit, and I will link this product as usual down at the description below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys think of the ViewSonic M1 projector down at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys really soon.